let's go into it. I'm gonna play slower first, and then I'm gonna do a little bit faster. Try to fix first the right hand. Boom, boom, zek, boom, zek. Yeah, mute yourself so then you can recap the video as well. You are recording it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, zek, boom, zek, boom, boom, zek, boom. So try to grab for the zek, and then open for the doom. Grab, open, grab, doom, doom, grab, open, grab. Look at the side. Totally elastical hand. For doom, more rigid, a little bit rigid for the doom. Not at all, a little bit. Yes. The other side. Yes, so this is my first recommendation with the rhythm path, just to play right hand, to play doom as low as you can, and zek as sharp and soft as you can. Realize this because the slap has a tight mute hand, and then I relax my wrist to make the web move, back into it. Yes. And the zek, it's more like this move. So the fingers, they crash first the nail of the thumb. The nail of the thumb at the side, and then the other ones. Let me show you. Yes. Look at this effect. It's because my thumbs, they crash first, right? And then it's like a double. Think about it's like a double between the thumb and then the 4 fingers. Yeah, but yeah. Think as once. This is like the cascade effect. When you make pressure, I put pressure on the knuckles to make this thing. Yeah. Look at that. Yes. You know, it's like a marching band snare, a snare drum. Like, yes. So then, when we play only once, it's just very tough. Yes. That's the sound. That's the sound. Okay. So now let's put the ka. Think about the ka. It's not big capital letter, so there's not an accent. I don't accelerate like. So it's just little stroke with the same rotation, but non-accelerated. Just exactly, slightly. Yes. So mute yourself. Let's gonna do it. Now let's gonna do all the variation. 1, 2, slow. 3, 4. Dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek, ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek. Again. Dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek, ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek. One little appreciation. If I do the ka, and then I go back, then I need to prepare again. So when you play the ka, you stay at the spot, but glance on top to rest at the ring. Yes, slightly outside. Yes, because then you have you don't have to run for the preparing. Yes. Because the preparing is just to go like this. Yeah. So never, never, never don't trespass. Don't trespass the ka towards you. Beside. 1, 2, again. 3, 4. Dum, dum, ka, zek. Dum, ka, zek. Ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek. Dum, ka, zek. And rest. Dum, dum, ka, zek. Dum, ka, zek. Ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek. Dum, ka, zek. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Easier with the dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek, ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek. I always sing. For you, realize you need to feel your own syllables on your brain. Exactly. Dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek, ka, ka, dum, dum, ka, zek, dum, ka, zek. When you get this, when you recap the video afterwards, try to count the beats and the upbeats. I'm gonna do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 16 and the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. Consistent right hand. And less effort for the left. Again, no worries about that. Yes. We're gonna press a little bit. Keep the hands light. Okay, follow me. Keep here. Okay. Okay. Great. Great.